guys, I have some exciting news to share with you. As of this morning, I just learned that our family program called Cooking and Kids is placing as the 5th most downloaded and most watched family program on Pegmedia. Years back, I had an idea to create a positive family program that will encompass teaching kids how to learn basic living skills like cooking and gardening, how to help reconnect families, communities, and how to incorporate other cultures in our own story. That is, how to learn from other cultures, how they stay connected and how they live more naturally. When I started with this program, there were a lot of skepticism about, why I'm doing this, how I'm going to do it. And, I've been producing this for 10 years. And needless to say, there were many times when I was asking this myself, like, oh my goodness, why am I investing so much effort and so much time into something that, a lot of people think it's silly. But today, I'm happy to say that after all this time, we are placing 5th most downloaded, most watched program on Pegmedia. And Pegmedia is just a platform which helps distribute programs to public access television stations. These are small government stations throughout the US. We are currently on 327 public access TV stations, promoting a positive family message nationwide and now internationally as well, because some of the international TV stations are picking this program as well. So what I wanted to say to all of you out there, all of you dreamers and people who are thinking about making a difference in your community or in the world, I just want to encourage you to dream and work towards your dreams. And above all, believe in what you're doing. So whatever we do in our lives, it really ripples into the universe. I really believe that. And so you're gonna have many reasons not to pursue your passion and your dreams, but I hope that all of you out there who are thinking about it, own it and just run with it, because maybe in 10 years you will have a day like I have today, where your hard work is being recognized and you can have this wonderful emotion that you have done something to honor everything that you believe and everything that you wanted to give to this world. So anyway, it's pretty cool, and I wanted to share all this with you. For all of you who have been supporting us in all these years, big thank you. We are making difference together. For the rest of you who would like to get involved and learn more about why we're producing this program, you can visit us at VLADA'S.com and find out more about the charity, its mission, and how this program fits in that mission. Thank you guys again. I'm having a good day, and I couldn't help it but to share it with you. Thanks.